to give you a video to kind of let you know what's going on with my YouTube channel this year. It's the very beginning of 2019. I'm actually recording this on January 3rd. And I've got a couple of things that I wanted to tell you guys. First of all, do you know that my name is Lori? It is. Second of all, yesterday I got stuck at my videographer's house because it was flooded and there was a low water crossing that I couldn't drive away from. So all kinds of things go on behind the scenes that you guys don't know about, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about what's been going on because you might have noticed I am releasing fewer videos on YouTube. I started off releasing one a week and then would skip every once in a while just because of things getting hectic and I hadn't gotten things prepared for you. And then you probably have noticed that in the last few months of 2018, I dropped down to releasing every other week. And I'm going to try to keep up at that pace, but all I can really promise you is that there will be one content video once a month in 2019 on YouTube. And I wanted to explain, besides low water crossings and things that delay me and keep me from getting home until 10 o'clock at night, what's going on that I'm not releasing as many videos on YouTube. So one of the things that I'm so excited to share with you guys is that I am finally putting a full-length online drawing course on my website. And I've been working on this for 3.5 years. Parker and I have been shooting videos. There's a ton of content that I haven't released on YouTube that is going to be on my website. And I've also done all kinds of other things, goodies for you guys, so that when you're studying drawing, it's gonna make it just that much easier for you to learn. So there are gonna be photos of objects that you can draw from. There are photo examples of successful and unsuccessful drawings so that you can kind of see where yours compare. And then there are also handouts that will go with each video so that if you want to take that information on the go with you someplace where you don't have Wi-Fi, you'll be able to continue your study outside of the Wi-Fi zone. So that's been going on, and I just have gotten to the point where I can't do it all. The other thing you probably don't know is that I see about 25 to 30 private lesson students in my studio each week. So that's how I make my money. And I have to keep doing that, and it's just really hard when I'm doing that 25 to 30 hours a week, plus all of the things that it takes to keep them in the system and the studio running smoothly and things like that. It's hard for me to produce a ton of content. So that's why the website has been really slow going and YouTube has had to slow down a little bit because there's just too much going on. So the other thing that I'm hoping is going to start happening this year is that I'm really passionate about this information being accessible to people who can't afford it. And so I'm developing ways that I can get this information into the hands of 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, because what I've learned over the years is that they really have the ability to learn this college level material, and then most of them don't have access to it. So I know a lot of you guys are probably kids and you have access to this information through YouTube. I will keep putting out free content for that very reason, because I'm really, like I said, passionate about people having access to this information, that it shouldn't just be for people that have money for private lessons. However, I'm really hoping to get this content into schools. So that's another thing that I'm working on in 2019. So you might see a little bit less of me here on YouTube, but don't worry, you're gonna be able to find me on my website. That's LZMstudio.com. And then also take a peek at my Instagram account, where I'm posting all kinds of drawings that my students in the studio have done with me during the week. So you'll still be able to see what's going on with me. And I'll still put as much content up here on YouTube as I can. And I hope you guys have a really good 2019.